You are sitting at your kitchen table watching the calendar, paralyzed by a single popular myth that has cost homeowners millions. You believe you must wait for the perfect spring market, that elusive peak where buyers supposedly line up with bottomless wallets. But what if waiting for this imaginary zenith is actually eroding your home equity right now? The truth is, the perfect market does not exist, and chasing it leaves you vulnerable to unpredictable economic shifts and increased local competition. We are going to dismantle this illusion and show you how to manufacture your own peak selling conditions regardless of the season. Holding out for a theoretical surge often blinds sellers to the immediate carrying costs and lost opportunities sitting right in front of them. When everyone lists in May, your property becomes just another option in a flooded inventory, forcing you to compete fiercely on price and concessions. Data consistently shows that serious buyers hunt year-round, motivated by life events rather than the weather. By shifting your focus from timing the market to optimizing your specific property for the current landscape, you unlock a massive competitive advantage. But how do you make your property irresistible when the broader market feels sluggish? The answer begins with strategic home staging, a process that goes far beyond simply decluttering your living room. Effective staging is a precise exercise in buyer psychology designed to neutralize your personal footprint and project an aspirational lifestyle that commands a premium. It involves optimizing traffic flow, manipulating natural light, and emphasizing the architectural strengths of your home while minimizing its physical flaws. When executed correctly, these visual cues trigger an immediate emotional response, convincing buyers that your property is worth a higher price per square foot. That emotional connection translates directly into financial leverage, provided you pair it with ROI-focused pre-listing repairs and upgrades. You must avoid the common trap of gutting a kitchen just to impress a hypothetical buyer, as major renovations rarely return their full cost at the closing table. Instead, direct your capital toward high-yield improvements like fresh, neutral paint, modernized lighting fixtures, and immaculate landscaping. These targeted investments repair the subtle signs of deferred maintenance that buyers subconsciously use to discount your asking price. Once your property is physically optimized, you face the critical hurdle of pricing, which requires a rigorous comparable market analysis, CMA. A CMA is an in-depth evaluation of recently sold, similar properties in your immediate neighborhood, adjusted for specific differences in size, condition, and features. It is not an automated online estimate, but a precise, data-driven baseline used to determine fair market value. Pricing your home based on a comprehensive CMA prevents the fatal mistake of letting emotional attachment inflate your asking price. Overpricing is the single most destructive error a proactive seller can make, instantly transforming your newly staged asset into a stagnant listing. Buyers today are highly educated and digitally savvy. They will immediately recognize an inflated price and simply scroll past your home online. The longer a property sits unsold, the more the local market stigmatizes it, leading buyers to assume something is fundamentally wrong with the structure or foundation. What happens when your meticulously prepared home becomes the neighborhood cautionary tale? You avoid that fate through precise pricing psychology, strategically positioning your home just below the top of a buyer's search bracket to maximize digital visibility. By entering the market with an undeniable value proposition, you generate immediate pre-marketing buzz and drive concentrated foot traffic during your critical first 2 weeks. This engineered urgency often sparks competitive bidding, pushing the final sale price higher than if you had started with an optimistic, inflated number. You are creating demand through strategic positioning. When multiple offers materialize, your focus must shift to evaluating the strength of the buyer, starting with their earnest money. Earnest money is a good faith deposit made by the buyer, typically 1 to 3% of the purchase price, held in an escrow account to demonstrate their serious intent to close the deal. A substantial earnest money deposit provides you with a financial buffer. If the buyer walks away without a valid contractual reason, you may be entitled to keep those funds as compensation for the lost time. But what if a seemingly flawless offer is derailed by an unexpected economic shift before closing day? A sudden spike in interest rates can compromise your buyer's financing, threatening to collapse the entire transaction at the 11th hour. This is where the myth of the perfect market truly shatters, as macroeconomic variables remain entirely outside your control. Navigating these sudden challenges requires more than just a beautifully staged home. It demands expert, ethical guidance to keep the deal intact. This underscores the absolute necessity of ethical agent selection, a process that demands rigorous vetting on your part. You need a fiduciary who prioritizes your net yield over their quick commission, an agent who uses hard data to build a strategy rather than relying on empty promises. Interview multiple candidates, asking for their specific plans regarding market timing analysis and how they handle aggressive buyer negotiations. A truly ethical professional will tell you the hard truths about your property's value rather than inflating the numbers just to secure your signature on a listing contract. With a seasoned advocate by your side, you can confidently address complex financial hurdles like an appraisal gap. An appraisal gap occurs when a buyer's lender evaluates your home and determines it is worth less than the agreed upon purchase price, potentially jeopardizing the buyer's loan approval. To protect your bottom line, your agent can negotiate an appraisal gap guarantee up front, legally requiring the buyer to cover the difference in cash. This advanced tactic ensures that a bidding war actually translates into real dollars at closing rather than evaporating during the bank's underwriting process. Protecting that yield also means mastering contingency clauses, which are specific conditions written into the purchase agreement that must be met for the transaction to proceed. Common contingencies include satisfactory home inspections, securing mortgage financing, and the buyer successfully selling their current home. While buyers use these clauses as protective escape hatches, a proactive seller negotiates to limit their duration and scope, demanding strict timelines to keep the deal moving forward. By tightening these contractual parameters, you minimize your exposure to last-minute renegotiations. The transition from living in a private sanctuary to managing a public product is jarring, requiring a profound mental shift from the homeowner. Every showing demands pristine conditions, disrupting your daily routines and testing your patience as strangers critique your personal space. The old home still called to them, yet you must remain emotionally detached, viewing negative feedback not as a personal insult, but as valuable market data. This detachment is your armor, allowing you to make rational, profit-driven decisions when the pressure inevitably mounts. That rational approach becomes incredibly lucrative when you leverage off-season selling to highlight unique property features that others ignore. While everyone else waits for spring blossoms, a smart seller in November emphasizes their home's robust heating system, the cozy fireplace, or the exceptional energy efficiency of recent upgrades. By leaning into the current season, you attract highly motivated buyers facing strict relocation deadlines who do not have the luxury of waiting for warmer weather. You are no longer timing the market. You are actively exploiting its gaps. The financial cost of waiting is often far higher than sellers calculate, as property taxes, insurance premiums, and mortgage interest relentlessly consume your equity month after month. If you delay your sale by 6 months to catch a perceived peak, the carrying costs alone can entirely wipe out any marginal gain in the final sale price. Furthermore, you risk facing higher interest rates that diminish buyer purchasing power, forcing you to lower your price to accommodate their increased monthly payments. The math rarely supports passive waiting strategies. The echoes of those careful staging efforts followed, yet some sellers still find themselves staring at a stagnant listing because they refuse to adapt to real-time feedback. When foot traffic dies down and weeks pass without an offer, panic often sets in, leading to erratic, poorly timed price drops that signal desperation to the market. This reactive posture strips away your negotiating power, inviting lowball offers from opportunistic investors looking for a distressed asset. How do you regain control when the market seems to have flatly rejected your initial strategy? You regain control by shifting immediately from reactive waiting to proactive selling, utilizing the data gathered during your initial weeks on the market. If feedback consistently points to a specific issue, such as an outdated primary bathroom or a perceived lack of backyard privacy, you must address it head-on, either through targeted financial concessions or a strategic price adjustment. This is not a defeat. It is a calculated pivot based on real-time market intelligence, allowing you to reposition the property and attract a completely fresh pool of buyers. Strategic pricing adjustments must be decisive and significant enough to trigger new automated alerts on real estate portals, dropping your home into a lower search bracket. A token reduction of $1,000 will not fool pricing algorithms or entice buyers who previously passed on your listing. You must rely on your agent's updated market timing analysis to find the exact price point that reignites interest without leaving your hard-earned equity on the table. This decisive action demonstrates market awareness and often brings hesitant buyers back into the fold. When you successfully reignite interest and multiple offers return, you must manage the situation with strict ethical standards and tactical precision. Pitting buyers against each other with false information or phantom offers is not only unethical, it often backfires, causing serious contenders to walk away in frustration. Instead, your agent should issue a transparent call for highest and best offers by a specific deadline, creating genuine urgency while maintaining absolute trust. This fair, structured environment encourages buyers to push their financial limits willingly. Operating with transparency gives you the psychological upper hand in negotiations, as buyers inherently respect a seller who is organized, realistic, and straightforward. Because you invested in ROI-focused pre-listing repairs and priced the home accurately from the start, you can confidently reject unreasonable demands for post-inspection credits. You hold the leverage because your property is a turnkey product, and buyers know they will struggle to find a comparable alternative in the current active inventory. You have built a fortress of value around your listing. Ultimately, your primary goal is finalizing the highest net yield, which is the actual cash you walk away with after all agent commissions, taxes, buyer concessions, and closing costs are paid. A higher gross offer with massive seller concessions and extended contingency periods often results in a lower net yield than a slightly lower offer with clean terms and guaranteed appraisal gap coverage. By meticulously analyzing the net sheet for every single offer, you ensure that your strategic efforts translate directly into your bank account. The confidence of a well-executed strategy replaces the paralyzing fear of market timing, transforming a highly stressful ordeal into an empowering financial transaction. You no longer worry about seasonal shifts or unpredictable economic headlines because your property is positioned to compete and win right now. The lessons from that precise pricing never faded, proving that proactive preparation always outpaces passive reliance on luck or theoretical market peaks. You have taken absolute command of your largest financial asset. Debunking the myth of the perfect market is the first vital step toward a truly profitable sale, freeing you from the constraints of imaginary timelines. By mastering strategic home staging, demanding ethical agent representation, and understanding the intricate mechanics of real estate contracts, you dictate the terms of your success. The perfect time to sell is not determined by the calendar page, but by your readiness to execute a flawless, data-driven strategy. Now it is time to stop waiting for the market and start making the market work for you.